Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at the top 3 features of the Ring Whole Home Security Pack. It keeps you informed with real-time notifications, it's really easy to set up with DIY installation, and you can manage everything from the Ring app. So we're going to head over to the lab now to take a look at things in a little bit more detail. So we're here in the lab and everything you see here is included in the Ring Whole Home Security Pack. So that's the indoor camera, the video doorbell, the motion detectors and the door and window sensors as well. So I've literally just walked across and I've got a notification straight away to my phone. So now as I click on the notification, it will take us to a live feed of exactly what's happening. We're going to pop this footage in the video so you can really see just how crystal clear that footage is. So this is a really great way to kit out your home really securely and confidently so you can have extra peace of mind and know that it will warn off any unwanted guests. It's really straightforward to get set up and you can do it all yourself with no fuss. So everything you need comes in the box so you can get your alarm system, indoor camera and video doorbell all set up and running straight away. Everything can be set up and simply managed from the Ring app as well, so everything included can be linked so you control everything in one place and keep an eye on your home when you're out and about. If you'd like any more info on the Ring bundle, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.